What is going on, guys? This is your boy Johnny. Today I'm going to show you how to install these pegs right here. This is the start of the night, the 450 CF Moto SS. Okay, so these are the sliders that came on the mail today. We're going to open it up, see what they look like, see if it comes with any tools or whatnot. Okay, so this is all it comes with. Both sliders, mounts, long bolts, and the washers, of course. It does not come with an instruction manual on how to install it, but it should be very super simple. One of the things I didn't mention, it does not come with any tools, but I got my fancy husky I used on my last video. Okay, so this looks like my right side. Actually, do I have it backwards? Maybe this one. Okay, we're gonna start off by loosening these hex nuts.
I'm gonna stay hydrated.
That's the only spot I managed to get it in right there. So let's see if I could bolt it in. And yeah, it's a hot summer night and it's about 100 degrees at night, but we got the light, we got the tools, and let's fucking get it. I'm about to get comfortable. I got my office chair slash mechanic chair. So my biggest fear was the bolt not being long enough, but I guess it is. So now we're gonna go ahead and tie down. And remember, you want this very tight because this is what's gonna hold the weight of the frame. Okay, so that was step one. Step number two, let me show you again. This part right here, put it like that. Bolt and washer. We gotta tighten it here. This is what it's looking like so far. Okay, that was taking too long, so I had to switch to the individual hex. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna hold. Looks like it's gonna protect because this is where the fairing is. So you got about 2.5 inches from the body to the to the edge of this metal. Now we're gonna move to the other side and do the same thing. Same thing. We're gonna start with the mounting bracket. These two screws right here. You open, put this through the inside. Now that we're here, that we're close, I'm gonna tighten up both bolts. Like I said, you want to make them tight, but not tight enough to bend your frame. Just very snug. This thing is easier than I thought. The hardest part was mounting the first bracket, but now that I got the hang of it, and I'm obviously doing it slow. Whenever you're working on any projects, it's good to have the tools. If you don't have tools, you could always find a friend that could let you borrow tools. To keep it real with you, this is only for a light fall. Let me make this very clear to you one more time. These sliders are meant for light falls. If your bike tips over, if you're doing maybe like 20 miles per hour and you happen to fall, this might protect it. Out there on the highway, on the freeway, these things will be called just decorations and it will not protect jack. So do with that information as you like. This is your boy Johnny sending out the signal. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment. Till next time, bye.